Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. Today we're doing the hashtag Chappy 7 shoutout challenge. That's 7 uploads in 7 days, 7 shoutouts to 7 different YouTube channels. If you're interested in participating, check the description below.
Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy, this is Mookie. Today we're doing the hashtag Chappy 7 shoutout challenge. So Mookie and I have a very special shoutout to What's Cooking at Mom's Kitchen. This is a fantastic YouTube channel. Check her out. She's got a great collection of recipes. Just good home cooking all the way around. And What's Cooking at Mom's Kitchen has been a supporter of me for quite some time. She's been a subscriber since November 2020. I think she was actually my first sub that wasn't a friend or family. So I really appreciate her, and go check her out. That's What's Cooking at Mom's Kitchen. So we got a great episode coming up. For Appies with Chappy by the Lake, I'm going to make some candied bacon. First up, in honor of What's Cooking at Mom's Kitchen, I'm going to cook a whole chicken. Now I have a kind of an unusual technique that you might not have seen, but it's guaranteed to make it juicy and delicious. So basically what I'm going to do is I got a Dutch oven, a big cast iron Dutch oven. I'm going to fill it with carrots, onions, and celery. And then normally like you'd put in some white wine or something, and that would be a braise. But this isn't that at all. It's an entirely different technique. So what I'm going to do is put the whole chicken on top of the vegetables, cover it up in my cast iron Dutch oven. The vegetables are going to steam and cook the chicken all the way through, and it's going to be nice and juicy. Now the only downside to this technique is you're not going to get that beautiful brown skin, but a lot of people don't eat the skin anyways just for health reasons. So you're going to have a really nice, tender, juicy meat on the whole chicken. So Mookie and I are going to get started on that right away. And again, special thanks to What's Cooking at Mom's Kitchen. Please check her out.
All right, this is the easiest roast chicken recipe in the world, and guaranteed to be juicy every time. It's so easy. Once you do it, this will be the only way you roast a chicken. All right, so I have onions, carrots, celery. That's 2 onions, 4 sticks of celery, 4 carrots. You don't have to peel anything. And it's just going to go into my Dutch oven. So no liquid whatsoever. The chicken's just going to sit on top of the vegetables, and the vegetables are going to steam the chicken and add the vegetable flavor to the chicken. And it's going to be super moist. All right, I got a whole chicken. And that's just going to go on top. And we'll give it a little bit of salt and pepper. We're going to get the oven up to 375, and we're going to bake it at 375 for 90 minutes. And we're going to put a lid on the Dutch oven. And once that oven gets up to 375, we're going to put it in for 90 minutes. And we're going to have the most juiciest chicken you ever had. So easy.
If you want the details to hashtag Chappy 7 shoutout challenge, just check the description below, and you can get all the rules if you want to participate. And thanks to everyone who participates.
Appies with Chappy by the Lake.
Aloha, welcome to another edition of Appies with Chappy by the Lake. Today I have some candied bacon for my appetizer. See here how I made it. I made it. All right, to go with my candied bacon, I'm going to make a harpoon. So we just need a short glass of ice. And we'll go 1 1/2 ounce of vodka. If you have a jigger, the long one is actually exactly 1 1/2 ounces. And then a 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice. And a 1/2 ounce of orange juice. And a dash of cranberry. I just have some white cranberry juice today. And then I have a nice mint leaf as a garnish, and that is a harpoon to go with my candied bacon. Thanks for joining me on Appies with Chappy by the lake. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We got a new episode every Friday. So this is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.